Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to be showing you an easy fix or an alternative channel that of CazeTV. So if you have tried to watch the FIFA World Cup 2026 on the CazeTV YouTube channel, you might have seen an error that this is not available in your country. So I have an alternate channel that you can use to watch the content for free on YouTube. So I'm going to be showing you that. So what I'm going to do first is go on to my YouTube application, and once I'm in the YouTube app, and what I'm going to do is go onto the search bar and type in TAPMAD, and now you're going to see this first channel. You're going to open that up, and now you're going to go to the live. So it says TapMad is a Pakistan's leading OTT platform. So I'm not sure if it's just available in Pakistan. I'm not sure about that. So if it's available in Pakistan, then the Pakistan viewers can watch from here. So once you're in the live tab, you're gonna scroll down till the very end, and now we can see the matches here. There is this upcoming live, which is Canada versus Bosnia and the US versus Paraguay. So you can just click on it, and now you can see as of now it's just saying the live is in 7 hours, and I'm not getting the thing that says the upload is not available in the country. So I'm sure that this is available in India and many other countries as well. So let's see how that goes. And if you are from India, I have a video where I show how you can watch from India. So I will add the link to the video here. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.